Yes, boys and girls. Go ahead. Yeah. 1 pound of meat. Look at that. Just disappear. Two cups of milk. And my cheese. Wait. And very little pasta. Very little pasta. Just enough to give me some carbohydrates. But I don't want too much pasta. My little hamburger helper, homemade. I have garlic, onion powder, salt, very little salt, and something else in here. It smells divine. Just for safety's sake, I'm just going to take a little bit, put it in there. I don't know if I put onion in there. To be sure, I'm going to put a little bit more onion, just to be sure. But I know there's garlic in there. There's nothing wrong with a little extra onion. I can't dig out the top right now, so I'm going to put this on it and let it bubble up. My pot's about to explode. That's what I hate about freaking. I can't stand it. Jeez. I hate that freaking cheese. This is why I don't like using regular cheese. Completely forgot about it. That's mozzarella cheese. Hopefully it'll save my pot. Hopefully it will save my pot. Oh, I don't like that nasty look. It smells delicious though, I'm not gonna lie. I think me and this pot gonna be friends. Now if you were making this for a family, you put a little bit more pasta in it, it would be so nice. But I need less pasta. Oh, that smells so delicious. I'm just trying to get the seasonings all mixed in. And then, ooh, look at that cheese. Oh, the cheese is starting to thicken. I just need a little bit more. That's good. I don't know if it's just a little bit more. I like flavor, boys and girls. Onion, garlic, a touch of salt, and some pepper. I think they are the magic to the kitchen. Now I'm going to let that cook down for a few minutes while I wash up my spoons. This pot is just about finished. My pasta is still hard. Hello everyone, it is me, and I finished my food. Yes, my pasta. I just want to say I apologize for not being active on my channel. I'm working on like a schedule. I did put a video up for today, but I need to show myself some form of consistency in order to provide you with some consistency. So I've been making a schedule to make my videos come out. I don't think that I can continue to do that. I think I need to make my videos as I make my videos and just air them. Whatever it is, because one thing is working, one thing is not working, and whatever the case may be. Anyway, I'm here to say I'm going to work on another video this afternoon, which will be fried chicken, because I need some chicken thighs. Boom! I need some chicken thighs, but I'm having a struggle offline. And for one, getting used to my new partials. I'm still not there yet, but everywhere I go, I am getting compliments and people are saying things about my smile, and oh my goodness, it is absolutely amazing. But you know, I want to say everyone has something that they feel extremely, feel is extremely important to them. My mouth is very important to me. I don't care about a whole lot of things, and we already know, honey, but my mouth means a lot to me. It also means a lot to me to be around someone that their mouth is very important to them as well. So I don't mean to make that my issue, but I gotta try this pasta. I haven't had pasta in about a good 3 weeks, and I need to stay away from pasta. But today I need pasta because I'm exhausted. I hate when people are by my front door. I know I'm not the only one. You can hear everything outside the front door from right here in this kitchen. I'm not telling secrets, so it doesn't matter. But you still don't want anyone right by your door. You know, I open the door quite often, and people sit right by my door where the electricity socket is to charge their phone or their iPod or whatever. And I think it's so disrespectful, especially knowing you can hear inside of someone's home to be outside their door. So hopefully, if someone was outside my door, they would know to move because it is nerve wracking. And I know I sound like I heard from the visitors in my head at that moment, but that wasn't the case. Ow! Lord have mercy. Mm, mm, mm. Oh my goodness. Mm. Oh, squirrel. I need to know what I can use this for. I just purchased this, so just let's get it. Okay. And I need to know what I could do with this here. Yeah, that's what I would like to work with. I feel so pretty today, but you wouldn't believe what I did. I put on this wrinkled dress. I don't like to iron. I know. And this right here is getting unplugged. Hello, sweetie. Yes. Yeah.